Transform your life and wallet with these jaw-dropping savings from smart home tech. In today's fast-paced world, technology is constantly evolving to make our lives easier and more efficient. One area where this is particularly evident is in the realm of smart home technology. Not only does it provide convenience and comfort, but it can also help you save money. Yes, you read that right, smart home tech can actually transform your life and wallet. In this article, we will explore some jaw-dropping savings that you can achieve by embracing the power of smart home devices. One of the biggest benefits of smart home tech is its ability to optimize energy usage. With smart thermostats, for example, you can easily control the temperature of your home from anywhere using your smartphone. This means no more wasting energy when you're away or forgetting to adjust the thermostat before going to bed. By programming your thermostat to adjust automatically based on your schedule, you can save a significant amount on your energy bills. According to studies, homeowners can save up to 20% on their heating and cooling costs with a smart thermostat. Smart lighting is another game-changer when it comes to saving money. With the ability to schedule, dim, and even turn off lights remotely, you can minimize energy waste and reduce your electricity bill. Forgot to turn off the lights after leaving the house? No problem. You can easily do it with a tap on your smartphone. Additionally, some smart bulbs have the capability to adjust brightness based on the natural light in the room, further reducing energy consumption. And let's not forget about the potential savings that smart home security systems can offer. By investing in a smart security system, you can potentially receive discounts on your homeowner's insurance premiums. Insurance companies often provide lower rates for homes equipped with security cameras, motion sensors, and other smart features that can help prevent theft or damage. Smart home tech can also help you save money on water bills. With smart irrigation systems, you can ensure that your plants and lawn are getting the right amount of water without any wastage. By monitoring weather conditions and adjusting watering schedules accordingly, you can avoid overwatering and save on your water bill. To stay up to date with the latest smart home tech tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly upload videos on how to maximize savings and increase the efficiency of your smart home devices. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content. In conclusion, smart home tech is not only about convenience and comfort, it also offers incredible savings opportunities. By optimizing energy usage, reducing water waste, and enhancing home security, you can expect to see a positive impact on your wallet. So why wait? Embrace the power of smart home tech and start transforming your life and finances today.